One of my neighbors up where I have property in East Tennessee sent me this video last week to show me the highway being washed out, and Tennessee Department of Transportation told me that's a 100-foot drop looking off this. So they're trying to restore power to trade. I think that's almost done. I know the people up on the mountain have got power back as of yesterday, but this video is just going to show you some of the damage that's happening and the repair work that's going on to show you what the upper mountain communities are going through. This used to be all treed and you couldn't see into that creek or that stream, but if you look you can see way down the road Tennessee Department of Transportation has literally cut into the side of the mountain to move the road over, restore new power lines. And as we're looking at it here, we can see my neighbors driving up through the community. You're going to be able to see what looks like the culvert's been washed out. And what we have here is an effort that's gone on to lay gravel or dirt or something over it to restore the road by the locals so that we could get access back in here. This was just a little tiny stream. I don't think it was even 2 feet wide. And then here you can see there's power lines down. They were on the road before. It's my understanding that the power's been restored, so these lines should be up off the ground. But you can see the road there is gone. It's been washed out by the water running down the hill. And as we're coming down here, you can see the trees that are cut that were across the road, but have been cut by the local community to open up the roadway so that people could get off this mountain. So it's going to be a while before things are fully restored back to normal, but it's a community effort along with government to get things opened back up so that people can get supplies and try to get back to a normal life. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my video, and hope you guys are doing better than the communities up here in East Tennessee are. See you on the next video. Thanks.